How to replace a Novo XT, or Novo XT2 side panel. You will need a 6mm Allen wrench to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, remove the bolt that secures the front of the side panel. Lift the front of the side panel, then slide the panel forward to detach it. Disconnect the hoses, then remove the panel. Now, let's replace it. Note the horseshoe bracket and the horizontal bracket on the side panel. Note the post and the horizontal frame on the chair. Hold the side panel next to the chair, noting the molded numbers on the side panel. Connect each of the numbered hoses to the matching numbered fitting on the side panel. Slide the horseshoe bracket on the side panel over the corresponding post on the chair, then rest the side panel horizontal bracket on the chair frame. Replace the bolt to secure the front of the side panel to the chair frame. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.